Alright guys, I just got back from the gun range and, well, let's just say that there's some things we gotta talk about. First off, let's get rid of this and this. Have you ever shown up to the gun range and felt kind of clueless about what's actually going on? You're slinging some lead down range at some pop cans and you're really questioning yourself inside, am I really doing things right? And you just wish you had some guidance. Today I'm going to help you identify 3 common mistakes beginner shooters make and how to fix them. Alright, so number 1 on our list, we have ignoring safety protocols. From waving hot guns all over the gun range, flagging people, to not wearing our ear and eye pro, we really want to be looking out for the safety of ourselves as well as the other people around us. As a beginner, it can be easy to feel nervous and begin to forget good common safety practices. But guys, safety is paramount. Always follow proper safety rules, and if you're unsure, seek guidance from experienced instructors. If you're out on a gun range with a lot of people, take a minute to identify the person that really looks like they know what they're doing and go pick their brains for a minute, as I'm sure that they would be glad to help you. Remember not to be waving around hot weapons in people's faces. Probably nothing makes people more madder at the gun range than that. So don't go pointing that sucker around at things that you don't intend to destroy. Capiche? Now number 2 on this list, we have improper grips. Now pertaining to pistols, I've seen a lot of people gripping too low on their pistol with this teacup of style of grip. This is an old handling technique, and if you're somebody who still does this, please stop because there is a better way. Use the thumbs forward grip as it will ensure better control and recoil management. And as a quick bonus tip, make sure that your thumb is clear of the slide stop. That way whenever you're shooting and your last round comes, your slide will lock back and your thumb won't get hung up on it. Bat! 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 Wait, what did my slide lock back? Hey, what was that Range Rulerz kid talking about? By the way, if you're getting some value from this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Number 3, we have flinching and anticipating recoil. Yes, another common mistake that we have is flinching and anticipating recoil before you pull the trigger. Beginners tend to tense up and jerk their firearm, affecting their aim and accuracy. Relax. Practice a smooth trigger pull without anticipating the recoil. As you maintain a secure grip like we just talked about, you're going to be okay. Maintain focus on your sight alignment and squeeze the trigger gently. This technique minimizes disturbances, helping you achieve more accurate shots. This is something that I still tend to fudge up at sometimes as well, mostly because I just yet to work out all the jitters. Take some time to get warmed up, control your breathing, and remember not to feel overly pressured and just have fun. Now if you're just getting started and you're on a fixed budget with ammo, click this video here to learn how you can grow your skills with no ammo.